Second verse, same as the, never mind. I used that in the second video about these, so we won't use that again. Don't go away. Hello, everybody, and welcome to Fat Guy Productions. I am Paul, coming to you as always from beautiful Las Vegas, Nevada, and with more products from GFans. These are little lighted dioramas for your die-cast cars, and I am loving them. I've brought you two already. Today, we're going to bring you a third one. I'm having so much fun with these. I cannot even begin to tell you they're worth every penny. I have just the two sitting right here. I don't know what one is what, so I'm just going to pull one up. And we'll get going here because I'm excited. Yes, they're out of China. Okay, so be careful. Don't inhale what's in the bag. Might get. Oh no, I won't go there. I won't go there. I will not go there. How about no? All right, let's see what we have from GFans today. So far, you've seen my Apple Store and the display. It's actually a display case for cars. It looks like sort of like a shop, and it's got parking spots in it where you can put your die-cast cars, and really cool looking. They both light up, very fun. I don't know what this one is. This is product 710033. The box is identical, nothing different. I don't know what's in here. I don't even, frankly, I don't even remember what I ordered, okay? So we're going to find out together. Let's open this up, I guess, right? It's the McDonald's. It's the McDonald's. Now this is one that I'm really, really excited about. It's a McDonald's with a drive-through and the signs and everything. This one's going to be so fun. This is, I'm so excited to get the McDonald's. I knew I'd ordered the McDonald's. I was pretty sure of it. Yeah, so where am I getting these? You can get them on eBay, okay? You can get them on eBay all day long. I think you can even find some on Amazon, but they normally come out of, like, I think it's AliExpress or whatever, but it's going to be in the description down below so that you'll be able to get your own GFans buildings. And I got to tell you, I can't recommend these things enough. I cannot recommend these things enough. Whether you look at the sign. This sign is amazing. Wow. That is so cool. Whether you want these for display or photography or whatever, you can't beat it. Roof, obviously, because it's got the power cord. Look at this. This is by far the best of the three so far. Look at all the ancillary parts. Oh no. You gotta spell out a lot of the stuff yourself. Okay, this is gonna take a lot more to put it together. Yeah, you have to put the word McDonald's on letter by letter on the front of the building. So you got to do that. Wow. Okay, this is going to be so cool and so fun. Look at the drive-up window. Oh my gosh. Wow. Oh my goodness. Here's the okay, let's see. This one doesn't have anything on the inside of the wall. Oh, this must be the outside then of the other side. I thought maybe they had decorated both sides. I don't know. Okay. This is like the front doors. Wow. This is as cool as it gets. This is really just as cool as it gets. Oh my gosh, look at the floor. It's actually got grassy grass on it. And then on the inside of the building, it's got like a parquet floor. Here's an interior wall with the menus and a bathroom door with the little logos on it. Here's part of the driveway. These are really standard for these kits. I'm going to put those over here for now because we won't need them anytime soon. Here is like an island, I think, for the drive up or something. I don't know. And then here's a thing. There's a thing right there. We got the thing. Okay. And here's another amazing sign. Look at these. OMG. Here's a part. Look at the drive-through. It's labeled and stuff. This is as cool as it gets, man. This is as cool as it gets. And here's the whole parking lot piece. Wow. It just doesn't get more fun than this. This is, oh my gosh, I can't even talk. I don't even have words. Wow. This is fabulous. Okay, as much as I was enjoying the first things I got from GFans, did I seal it? We're back up doing that? Am I that stupid? Oh my gosh, am I dumb? I was trying to just get rid of the glue to make it easier, and I sealed it up. I'm such an idiot. Okay, so, all right, here's all the pieces. Well, not really even. Look at this bag full of stuff. Here's most of the pieces. This is going to take a while, so we'll see what happens. This is so cool. Okay, I immediately need to get into this bag because I'm going to need all the counter pieces and stuff. Oh, those are tables. Those are eat-in tables, and then comes with little stools and stuff. Okay, so this one's gonna be a little more difficult to put together. I'm just telling you that right now, okay? So maybe if you're gonna get into these things, maybe you want to start with something a little simpler. Okay, like this is the countertop and the registers and stuff. There's another, what seems to be an island piece. I have no idea what this is, and I can't pick it up because I have big fat fingers. Let's move this over. Okay, here's a clear piece. So let's just dump them. Okay, so here's the little supports for the tables. There's tables. There's the drive up sign. Look at that. So cool. So these are little stools for sitting on, and you're going to have to glue those. It looks like it's got like a little piece of adhesive on the bottom of it. I doubt that's going to work very well. There's a little hokey pokey thing, but I don't know what that is. It might be for this thing, whatever that is. They're part of the drive-through signs. Okay, so I guess we're in a position where we're going to have to peel. Let's go ahead and start peeling. Now, what I found is that not so much on the display case, but on the full diorama models like this, like the Apple Store. The fit is really precision. So it pretty much goes together really nicely. But just use caution so you don't damage the holes, because after all, this is still made out of little acrylic pieces, occasionally some metal pieces, but the bulk of the structure is foam core. A very sturdy, strong foam core, but foam core nonetheless. So just use a little caution here. So here, it's acrylic on acrylic, and that's a little bit tougher because there's no give. So that just made that a little bit tougher. That's all. Not a big deal. Not a big deal. Okay, so we got those. This thing. And I've talked about this before. Try to peel your parts from a tab. That way, if you scratch or mar the acrylic, it's not gonna leave a lasting issue. There, that's really nice. And then this sits out in front of the McDonald's, like so. Like so. Oh, it doesn't get cooler than this. That lines up like that. This goes like this. Oh my gosh, how cool is this thing? And this little piece goes to the outer edge here. And there you have it. There you have my McDonald's. Back together. Shut all up. Here we go. It doesn't get any cooler than this. Okay. Okay. All right, so there it is. And you know, you're getting the crappy top-down picture, but I took some photos, which you're seeing right now, so you can see just how cool this thing is, because it is stupendously, amazingly fun and cool. And I had a great time putting it together, and just look at it with some cars on it and stuff. You know, I'm gonna get some of the 1/64 scale people to put in here, and what a lot of fun this was. And this is head and shoulders the coolest one, at least thus far. There's a little scorching on the McDonald's letters. I'm gonna have to try and get some alcohol or something to clean those. But other than that, I don't really have any complaints. It goes together well. It is well designed, well thought out, and just looks amazing. It really does. And what fun it's going to be to take diecast pictures. Here, let me show you what I'm talking about. We're going to get a picture of my my gasser here in front of McDonald's. And as if I was trying to do it for the video, you know, the build video. Okay, and so you're going to see that right now. And this is what it would look like after I edit it and clean it up and whatnot. But yeah, that's the whole idea is you can use this as a display case, because you can put 1, 2, 4, 5, 6 cars. You can 7, 8, 9, 10. You can put 10 cars here. Whatever you want to do with it. And then it's a display, or you can just use it as a diorama backdrop. You know, so it's really, man, I can't recommend these things enough. This was a lot of fun. I love this thing, and I hope you loved the video. If you did, please give it a giant thumbs up. Click subscribe, and don't forget to click the notification bell so you never miss one of my videos. As always, if you have any questions or comments, leave them down below. I love to hear from you, especially if you have any thoughts on these GFans structures, because what a lot of fun. What a lot of fun. Just so much. And I really, well, what a great time. So anyhow, all right, that's going to do it for today. I hope the rest of your day is just stupendously, unconscionably wonderful. Till next time, this is Paul from Fat Guy Productions saying, be good.